Welcome to a world ignited by curiosity, unlocking the greatest adventures. In today's chapter, we encounter an extraordinary character. Their uniqueness isn't drawn from strength or magic, but the curious gleam in their eyes. This young hero, mirroring your sense of wonder, ponders mysteries that baffle even the wisest. Today, they face a scientific enigma: why do some things float while others sink? Embarking on a quest armed only with insatiable curiosity, they seek to decode the reasons behind this phenomenon. This marks the start of a journey through the marvels of science, revealing the hidden magic in everyday life and uncovering answers both simple and profound. As we tag along through experiments and explorations, remember, every great discovery starts with a question. Let's join our young hero, led by curiosity, towards a world full of discovery. Stay tuned as we uncover the universe's mysteries, one experiment at a time. With the spark of illuminating curiosity, our hero forges deeper into the enigmatic realms of science, guided by a knowledgeable mentor. Positioned on the frontier of understanding, they're ready to peel back the mysteries of the universe, layer by layer. In the realm of physics, the invisible forces that mold our existence are unveiled. The mentor explains gravity's pull, friction's resistance, and acceleration's rush, showing that the universe's mysteries aren't magic but the fabric of reality unfolding. The adventure then spirals into chemistry, where elements perform an endless ballet of reactions. Experiments transform clear liquids into vivid hues, fizz, and foam, revealing the scientific principles behind these magical transformations. Lastly, biology uncovers the diversity and resilience of life, from minuscule ants to towering trees, illustrating the interconnected web of existence. As we edge closer to the next revelation, we're reminded that science is more than facts, it's a journey of discovery, understanding, and unending curiosity. The path of exploration continues, inviting us to uncover more mysteries and comprehend more wonders. And thus, our young hero reaches the zenith of their journey, standing at a peak of enlightenment. The world unfolds as a canvas brimming with questions, each leading to an adventure in learning. With newfound understanding, our hero now unveils why things float, transcending simple explanations and delving into the interconnected essence of physics, chemistry, and biology. Knowledge isn't just about acquiring power, it's about empowering ourselves to see beyond appearances, to weave together the visible and invisible, and to marvel at nature's intricacies. Through our hero's eyes, mundane experiments become windows into understanding the forces, reactions, and life processes that shape our world. As our narrative reaches its conclusion, remember, this is merely a beginning, an invitation to question, explore, and discover anew. So, equip your magnifying glasses and lab coats, young scientists, for mysteries abound, awaiting our keen gaze. Together, let's maintain the spark of curiosity, fueling our quest for knowledge and the delight of discovery.